Welcome back to another episode with the Mantis Q drone. In this episode, I'm going to show you a couple of different shots I took with the drone of the Niagara Escarpment. So this first shot that you're seeing, I took using the cellular to Mantis Q drone connection. So overall, this connection I found to be very weak. The drone had a hard time maintaining the connection, but the video footage was still very good because the Mantis Q has an SD card on board, which stores the footage, which makes it able to continue recording even when it loses connection with the phone. A couple other things with the phone is when it loses connection, it will come back to you. So you just have to make sure that there's no obstacles in the way as it's coming back to you, because if there's a tree, it'll hit the tree and it'll fall down. I had it happen a couple of times to me. So this first footage here is at the lower resolution, but with optical image stabilization at 30 frames per second. So here we have two different footages. One is in 4K and the other is in 1080p. So the 1080p has optical image stabilization and the 4K does not. So I'm gonna let you guess down in the comments below before I tell you which one is 4K. So I don't know if you noticed or not, but the smaller screen is the 1080p and the larger screen is the 4K. So if you're looking at the two different video qualities, the 4K is not as smooth, but the 1080p was pretty clear. This last clip here is also in 4K at 30 frames per second. And with the video editing software I used, I tried to stabilize it to make it the best quality I could, and I would say it's comparable to the 1080p quality that I recorded. So if I move slowly with the drone, as you can see in this section, the video was able to keep up with the drone and not be too grainy slash kind of warped a little bit. But you can see we got some beautiful shots here, and overall I'm very impressed with the quality of this drone for the price. So that's all I recorded for this first trial of the Mantis Q. Overall, it was very successful. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.